At Sharda University, we don't just design, we craft the future.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Dipti Parashar, the Dean of the Sharda School of Design, Architecture and Planning in Sharda University.
From sustainable design to cutting-edge fashion, our students don't just learn, they redefine it. From your first sketch to your first masterpiece, from classroom dreams to real-world impact, we nurture the designer and innovator in you. With a global perspective and interdisciplinary approach, the students gain exposure to world-class expertise.
We have program on the Bachelor's of Design with specialization in Digital and Communication, Fashion and Interior Design. We also have a Master's in Design with specialization in Fashion and Interior Design. In addition to this, we have a PhD program in the field of design as well.
Learning here means connecting with the world. Through live projects and mentorship from top architects and designers, our students step beyond the classroom, well prepared for impactful careers. We foster teamwork across different levels, encouraging students to learn, inspire, and grow together as they tackle complex design challenges. Our students are shaping the future by designing iconic costumes, preserving heritage, and pushing the boundaries of creativity. The world needs visionaries. The world needs you.